The point behind this series of videos is to show that you can shoot anywhere you go. And I mean anywhere. If I'm traveling somewhere for any reason, I always try to squeeze in a portrait session. It's a great way to meet people, build your network, and best of all, you get fresh new work for your portfolio. For this video, I traveled to Oaxaca with my wife for the sole purpose of eating our way through this beautiful city. While I was there, I was able to meet amazing people and shoot some amazing portraits. What's going on, guys? My name is Corey Vanderploeg at CoreyPhoto on Twitter and Instagram. Let's jump right into it. Shooting cool, interesting strangers with absolutely zero pressure is one of the great joys of photography. So whenever I travel, I always try to shoot people in that area. Whether it's artists, gallerists, chefs, cool looking people on the street, I always try to set up a couple shoots no matter where I am. You never know where that chance encounter will take you or how it can shape the contours of the rest of your life. While I was in Oaxaca for 5 days, I was able to have 3 amazing portrait sessions, and I couldn't be more happy with how the photos turned out. I got to see amazing spaces, meet cool, unique artists, eat amazing food, and travel to places I have never been, all because I can shoot portraits and give people the gift of a finished, polished, high-res piece of art. The first stop came from a referral from one of my wife's friends. They led us to a really cool indigo dyed artist named Natalia Monroe. She goes by MALATALIA on Instagram. Her work is incredible, using indigo dyes to create custom products and art. Her space was amazing too, surrounded by her art with beautiful light everywhere you looked. Her hands and nails were almost permanently dyed blue, and there was blue everywhere your eyes settled. I started with a portrait by her desk and just moved around the space. I shot as many photos as my camera could in that short amount of time, and we were out in less than 30 minutes. It's those short and intense encounters that are some of my favorite moments in this world. The photos came out incredible. The following day, my next stop came from another friend referring us to a gallerist named Manuel GARCIA. You can find all of the info on his Instagram right here and in the description. He reps a bunch of amazing artists as well as running a completely unique gallery in the heart of Oaxaca. This gallery used to be his grandmother's home that he converted into a small art space, and it looked so cool. Because there was art everywhere, I wanted him in a clean, non-location location. Something simple, a stripped down, since he told me he hadn't had a portrait in a few years. So I kept it as simple and timeless as I could, and was even able to gift him with a great family portrait. I love how these turned out. He was so relaxed after giving us a tour of his space, background on all of his artists, and showing me the books that he printed himself. Taking me on a tour of his other properties, it was really just an incredible day. Without my camera, I would have never met an incredibly inspiring human like Manuel, and I wouldn't have been able to take in such incredible art and architecture. After that, my wife booked us on a little tour of the Taste Buds just outside Oaxaca, a small conscious kitchen / secret country dining room in Etla, 30-minute drive outside of the city. I didn't plan ahead, I didn't pre-coordinate, I just went to this cool experience with the plan of eating incredible food, and I brought my camera with me. We were greeted by an incredibly warm woman named Leahy, who was a pastry chef. She gave us a quick background information on the history of their collective, which you can find more info at right here at the link in my description. When we sat down, we were greeted by Chef Gerardo Aguilar, and he started to break down the history and intention behind this collective. The food was insane. The experience was insane. And when we were finished, both of them sat down with us and we sipped mezcal and had a laugh. It was then I asked if I could shoot both of their portraits, and I got these incredible images on their land and in their space. I'm constantly treating life like a photography exercise. There's no rules. You'll get sharper when you shoot on location. You'll become a better photographer. You'll meet amazing people, and you'll have incredible experiences. So just get out there and shoot everywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to see more content. My name's Corey Vanderploeg at CoreyPhoto on Twitter and Instagram. Happy shooting.